Well, it's been quite a while since I posted a video of my flying purple people eater, and I thought I'd post the latest in keeping the many thousands of my subscribers happy. Anyway, I'm getting ready to finish the final mechanical upgrade on this car. If you've followed my build so far, you'll know that I replaced everything in the suspension. The motor is completely new. Everything on it, upgraded, fuel injection, blah, 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 blah. Go check out the rest of my videos. Now, I've just pulled the transmission out of it, which was a good turbo 400 transmission with a shift kit. However, after missing a shift or two, I decided to upgrade and go to a full manual valve body with reverse pattern shifter. So I've got everything out of it right now, and I just received my transmission and torque converter yesterday. And what I bought was a J&W Performance Turbo 400, like I said, with a full manual valve body and reverse pattern shifter, with all upgraded sprags and extra clutch plates, which should hold all the torque of this monster. And along with that comes my new torque converter, also by J&W Performance Transmissions. It's a 3400 stall converter. So that should bring some extra life to this car. The only thing I have not done yet, which I probably will come spring, is replace my steering box with this Pontiac Trans Am WS6 fast ratio steering box to complement all the front end and rear end suspension upgrades that I've done. This is my gear vendor's overdrive underdrive unit. Bolts onto the back of the transmission. Basically gives me 6 speeds on a turbo 400. So anyway, that guys like me just don't know when to quit. But I'm going to have to, because there's nothing left to do other than maybe some cosmetic things, and then just go out and beat the snot out of this car. So that's what I'm looking for. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for indulging me, and I hope you like what I've done.